Miss Neeru, please tell us about yourself briefly.
Uh, Good morning, sir. Thanks for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Neeru. I belong to Delhi. I am very enthusiastic and determined person. I have completed my schooling in Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya. Thereafter, I joined the CA course as well as I joined a BCom course from Delhi University. I completed my BCom in 2013, and after that I joined the MCom course in 2013 itself. So I completed MCom in from IGNOU University in 2015. Thereafter, I completed my CA in 2019. I was completing my 3 year articleship, in which is the included in the CA part. After that, completing my CA, I have 4.5 year experience as in different organizations. I was working in a CA firm, Rajan Chakravarti and Associate, which is Delhi based firm. This is
Yeah.
about my academics and my qualifications.
So when you say Delhi, I'm feeling very sad about the old Rajendra Nagar incident where three candidates have died. Very sad.
Oh yes,
And
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm very sad. And it seems
Uh,
there was some protest and all today. Some news also came that
yes, yes,
many
yes.
of them.
Actually, door was
Abhi,
closed.
pardon? The door was.
Uh, Door was closed. The door was a biometric doors, so people are not able to open it, or they just stuck there, and uh, they have to lose their lives.
Very, very
They
sad.
do not have alternate exits, na?
Yeah, yeah. And it seems that there was no, now everybody is telling there was no permission for starting an institute there and
Yes,
all.
yes, yes, yes,
Abhi bolega. It's a very sad.
yes, sir.
So, but see, most Delhi children are all very brilliant and very student also. So, I mean, very, very much interested in learning that way. Very nice. Mm,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Anyhow, I'm very sorry. Three candidates. And now coming to, Acha, is it raining now also or rain has stopped?
No, no, not raining right now.
No. Because, and one more reason why I'm very much affected is I was living in old Rajendra Nagar.
Okay,
In during 96 and 99, only one house I stayed in Delhi, and that is that house.
okay.
So, yeah, 27 by 16, some number. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Now, what's your father?
My father is a construction worker. They are making the houses for people. So
No,
they involved.
why do you say construction worker? Is a
Uh,
construction engineer or a construction
oh, yes,
uh,
construction engineer. Like they are making the. They involved in the making the houses like messes type.
कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर किसको बोलेंगे जो डे टू डे लेबर करते हैं समझ गया
Okay.
अच्छा
Huh.
वेरी गुड
Yes.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड नाउ वेयर आर यू वर्किंग नाउ
Right now, I'm working in a Balaya Travels. That is a company, but I didn't mention that
अच्छा
job
ठीक है
experience.
ठीक है ठीक है सो दैट मीन्स यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स
Yes, yes. As
ओके
per
ओके
them, I am preparing.
वेरी गुड एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम let me go for some questions why are you interested in joining PNB
Sir, I'm going to join the bank because the this specific post is needed a person who is well versed with the financial statements, the ratios, the flows, and who knows the what is going through in the back of the balance sheet. So I have an experience of 4.5 years after the completing CA, and as well as 3 year experience in my articleship. I was work on balance sheets. I have idea how to amounts and double entries going on, and along with that I was involved in auditing. So in somehow you involve in auditing, you need a kind of प्रोफेशनल स्केप्टिज्म. यू नीड some kind of पर्सन जिसको थोड़ा चीज़ों के बारे में जानने की उत्सुकता हो. तो आई थिंक दिस काइंड ऑफ फील्ड नीड अ पर्सन हु वांट टू नो पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन, पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट की कैसे
Ne-
चीज़ें
Neeru
हो रही हैं.
नीरू आप ज्यादा बात कर रहे हैं. You are not coming to the point. The point was why you are interested in joining PNB. It is not why you are interested in joining this credit officer post. ये नहीं है. PNB में आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, उसमें आपने PNB का प्लस पॉइंट्स बताना है, गुड
Yes,
पॉइंट्स,
yes, yes.
देन ISMP लिंक करना है. द आंसर यू आर गिविंग इज द आंसर फॉर number two question. What motivated you to become a credit analyst or credit
Sorry, sir, I
object?
got this like that कि इस
Yeah,
particular post के लिए.
thoda be aware of this and listen properly and to the point answer कर लीजिए. समझ गया?
Okay, okay.
Good. Now, can you tell me what is your biggest strength, Neeru?
Biggest strength, I'm very much determined person. If I want to do something, I'm give my 100% for it.
Oh,
I'm just
1 minute. Huh? Just a minute. Just a minute. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Now, please continue.
yes, sir.
Please
Sir, I
continue.
said
Sorry. Hmm.
okay. I said I'm very determined person. I want to do something. I really give my 100% for that. I'm a team player. I can work in a team because I'm working in an audit team as well from last 4 years. So these are my two qualities, which is very good, I think.
Can you please tell me the recent changes in the budget regarding income tax?
Yes, the tax regime in the tax regime there's a change in the slabs. The previous that the slab was a three up to 3 lakhs your income is exempt. After that 3 to 6 lakh you have to pay the tax of 5%. Now the exemption limit is 3 lakh, but the slab is increased. So 3 to 7 lakh you have to pay the 5%, and 7 to 10 lakhs you have to pay the 10%, and 10 to 12% you have to pay the 25%, and 20%, and 12 to 15% you have to pay 25%, and after 15% you have 15 lakhs you have to pay the 30%. This is the major change in the income tax. And also as well as the long term capital gain taxation rates also change. The earlier that was a 15% in short term capital gain tax, but now it is a 20%, and long term it is a 12.5% change from the 10%. And indexation also removed by the government. This is the major changes related to income tax.
You have not told about that. What is that? Standard deduction.
Standard deduction, that is a 10 to that is a 3 lakhs
No, no.
standard deduction.
50,000 से
Oh,
75,000 होता है.
75,000. Okay, for salaried per person, this is 15,000 increased by 25,000, and now it's a 75,000.
If you talk like this, they will ask you, what is the effect of indexation? Because almost all of them will be old people willing to buy a house, sell a house, and all that. इसलिए ये पूछेगा, please tell me what is the effect of this indexation being removed?
So this is affected the person who are holding the property for more years. If the person is holding property from 2020 2001, and now they are selling, so they will get the benefit of price appreciation through the indexation. Now this is removed, and you have to pay the tax on the you have to pay the tax on sale value minus original value, which is maybe far uh, less than the current scenario. So it will be a it will affect the capital gain, and you have to pay the extra capital gain on the selling of the property.
That is ज्यादा पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा. Correct?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
ओहो, तब तो बहुत नष्ट हो गया. Very good, very good. No problem. Then they can also ask you what is the last date for filing of income tax return?
31st July 2024.
Correct. If that's what very. Then next question. Mm, what is the most challenging aspects of credit management? How will you overcome these challenges?
So most challenging, first you have to while you checking the appraisal, and you have to be very much conscious the about the credit worthiness. And after that, while people are repaying the payments, you have to check that also कि वो originally जनरेटेड मनी से कर रहे हैं या कुछ पैसे को इधर उधर करके हमारे रीपेमेंट्स कर दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, उसके
What
बाद
is
जब हम
what is the professional achievement you are proud of?
प्रोफेशनल अचीवमेंट uh,
Sir,
I just qualified CA
you have not worked. Acha, you tell me academic achievement.
yes. Academic achievement. I just qualified a CA. This is the biggest achievement of my life on a qualification basis.
Very good. That's good. And it was, did you fail once or twice and then passed, or it was a stroke?
No, I have a fail attempts.
You had one attempt or two attempts?
Two attempts. I
No
have two
problem.
attempts of fail
No
attempts.
problem. Absolutely no problem. How will you deal with pressure or stressful situations?
Sir, while I'm in a pressure, I have to deal with the things, because क्या होता है प्रेशर में हम लोग कुछ भी गलत कर सकते हैं, तो वी हैव टू फोकस टुवर्ड्स द वर्क कि जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो थोड़ा फोकस के साथ करना है, व्हाट द एक्चुअल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क, उसमें कितनी हमारे फोकस होने की ज़रूरत है। सो दिस इज़ द थिंग कि आप कितना अपने काम की तरफ फोकस हो सकते हैं उस टाइम पर, वही आपको उस प्रेशर से बाहर निकाल सकता है, बजाय इसके कि आप उसमें और ज़्यादा पैनिकिंग कर जाएँ, बजाय आप थोड़ा फ़ोकस होके उस काम को उस टाइम पर कर दें। और
Hmm.
अगर आप टीम में हैं तो हेल्प फ्रॉम अदर्स ऑल्सो, कि अगर आपको कुछ नहीं आ रहा और या कुछ बहुत प्रेशर का है, तो आप उस टाइम पे उन लोगों की हेल्प ले सकते हैं।
अच्छा. Coming to
यस
housing
सर।
loan, about priority sector. First of all, answer me why priority sector?
सर गवर्नमेंट हैज़ आइडिया कि कुछ सेक्टर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि लोन के बिना, क्योंकि बैंक्स को उसपे उतना अच्छा रिटर्न मिलने का या फिर कहीं न कहीं पैसे के रिकवर होने का थोड़े कम चांसेस लगते होंगे, तो इसीलिए अब गवर्नमेंट ने एक फिक्स कर दिया कि ये प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर है, इनको कम से कम लोन मिलना चाहिए। जैसे कि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर है, तो कभी क्रॉप्स के खराब होने के बाद उनको अच्छे से रियलाइज़ेशन नहीं होती होगी मनी की, तो दैट्स व्हाई बैंक आर वेरी स्पेक्टिकल कि उनको पैसे दें या नहीं दें। तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर्स फिक्स किए कि इनको इतना इतना पैसा तो कम से कम आपको देना ही है। सो दैट्स व्हाई द 8 प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर सेट बाय द गवर्नमेंट कि
Now,
उनको आपको
can you tell me what are the guidelines regarding housing loan?
हाउसिंग लोन।
Hmm. थोड़ा आपने प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर गाइडलाइंस पूरा पढ़ना है, उसमें एक एक पार्ट को अब पढ़ना है. फॉर एग्जांपल से हाउसिंग, education loan, then agriculture,
एजुकेशन।
like that. I think you would not have studied like that in deep, because I know
सर
only broad guidelines that up to what extent housing loan granted is considered as priority sector.
सर फॉर हाउसिंग लोन देयर इज नो लिमिट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड।
No, no, limit is prescribed
यस
up to 35 lakhs in the case of
35 lakhs to
in the
35
case of
lakhs।
metropolitan and urban areas, and the total cost of construction should be less than 45 lakhs.
40 lakhs।
40 or 45 something.
45
Similarly,
lakhs, 10
yeah,
lakhs over.
similarly, in the case of rural area, it is 25 lakhs.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is not the only thing. आप पूरा पढ़ना है. आप यू बेटर गो टू रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वेबसाइट, उसका अंदर में जो दिया हुआ उसका पूरा पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
I am sure you may not be able to answer. Education loan, up to what extent is covered under priority sector now?
Up to 20 lakhs. Up
Yeah,
to 20 lakhs.
previously it was 10 lakhs, now it is 20 lakhs. Good.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is EPS in terms of shares, and also what is diluted EPS?
Sir, it's earning per share. By
Yeah, yeah. Earnings
name
per share,
earning per
correct.
share.
Uh,
The ratio, the calculated by earning per share is calculated by total profit and for the equity shareholder divided by total outstanding shareholding. This is earning per share.
What
Okay,
is
so then
diluted EPS?
when the total earnings for the equity shareholder divided by the number of equity shareholder plus the convertible equity shareholders also include in the number of total equity shareholder, uh, then the
Then
ratio is come out,
then
it is
then
diluted.
EPS will come down. Good. You told this nicely. Can you talk on CIBIL for a few minutes? For 1 minute.
Sir, CIBIL is a very important part. If you want to check the particular person credit worthiness and on the basis of past record, you want to assess the person. So you can use the CIBIL. सिबिल स्कोर आइडेंटिफाइज द मैन पर्सन कि इसने पिछले जो लोन्स जो लिए हैं उनको किस तरह से पे किया है. इफ द सिबिल स्कोर मोर देन द 650, that means the person is a credit worthy, they are paying their loan on timely basis. But before more than the 800 to 900, it is an excellent score. But for 600, 650 to 900, it's a considerable score for loan purposes.
What are the recent awards received by our Punjab National Bank?
So one awarded Data Excellence Award, and one is Excellence in Gender Equality.
Hmm.
These are two awards.
बट यहाँ पर तो कोई दूसरा दिया है. यहाँ पर दिया है. I'm showing you. It's not a secret. That is Infosys Finacle Innovation Awards 2024. Then TransUnion CIBIL Award. Then PSC Award Indian Express Group. Then Mission Upgrade Campaign PFRDA. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I want you to go through each one of these and get to know some ideas about it.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, please prepare कर दीजिए उसको. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Next question for you. Um, yeah, next question will be, please tell me how many bank correspondents are there in our Punjab National Bank?
It's 33,614. I think
30, 30,
63,614.
32, 630.
32,630. Okay.
What is the capital adequacy ratio which public sector banks are expected to have as per RBI guideline?
Uh, it is a 11.5%, a 9% normal plus 2.5% buffer. Yeah, banks has to maintain.
Now, what is the capital adequacy ratio of our bank?
Capital adequacy ratio in
Punjab
this
National
is a
Bank,
16.82%. No,
15.79.
15.79%.
Excellent. Good. That's right. Now, please tell me what is the present standing deposit facility rate?
Standing deposit facility rate. Uh,
It is
sir,
6.25.
okay, sir.
You have to study about, I think you may not know about standing deposit facility. Standing deposit facility is the rate of interest which RBI gives to the commercial banks.
Yes, yes. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I get it. For 1 day, RBI gave the
No,
rate.
for their keeping the money with RBI.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very
Six
good.
point seven.
What is the present MSF rate? Marginal standing facility rate?
6.75.
Correct. Where is the need for MSF? When there is repo rate, when there is bank rate.
Where is the what is the need
Need
of?
MSF rate. It's
Sir,
not,
if the
you may
bank
not,
is
you may not know the answer. The
yes, sir.
answer
I
is,
know.
tell me.
Sir, MSF rate is required for the if the bank want to lend money for less than a 1 day. So RBI mention a rate which is a MSF rate on which
Hmm.
RBI lend the money to the banks.
Hmm. Instead of telling borrowing, you told bank is lending. That was wrong. the 6.75 is the MSF rate, is the marginal standing facility rate, the rate that will be charged by RBI for the short emergency lendings.
Emergency.
See, the
Okay.
banks have repo rate, banks have what is that? By,
Wait.
bank rate and
Fine.
repo rate. In after exhausting all that, when emergency requires, that is MSF rate. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Best wishes. Who is the MD and CEO of Federal? Oh, sorry, of Punjab and National Bank.
Sir, Mr. Atul Kumar Goyal,
Very
MD
good.
and CEO.
Very good. Thank you. Where is the headquarters of Punjab National Bank?
Sir, Delhi.
That is true, but which place? Some name of the locality, you know?
Sir, Dwarka.
I don't know. Maybe you must be knowing it. Best wishes. You did well. 85
Thank
out of 100. 8.5 out of 100. Try to attend the interview with confidence and send the questions they are asking you.
Of course, sir.
Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm stopping recording of this.